guys, it's Kyla. Welcome back to my channel. I think I just hit my mic. My bad. Let me just start this out by saying that this video was destined for disaster. From the start, destined from disaster. This is the second time I'm filming this video. The first time, I didn't turn my mic on. Let me make sure it's on right now. Yes, it's on. Thank God. But the first time I didn't turn my mic on. Then, also when I was gonna film this video, I had the issue where I lost my train of thought. I don't remember. Oh, my bag, my Sephora bag that they put my Gratis in had a big hole in the bottom, like when I got it, so I lost some of my products on my way home. Like between the time I walked to my car, like from where I got from Sephora to my car to home, I lost products, and I only noticed as I was walking down the stairs to my beauty room because I heard a product hit my hardwood floor. Who knows how many products I lost? I know of at least one because I saw it in my bag earlier, and I'm thinking another one because I know a couple of my other friends at work got another product that I didn't get. So I'm thinking of two products that I missed out on. One of them is a thing you mix in with water, like you eat it, and it's supposed to help with your inner beauty. And another one is a lip product, but I got another version of it, so I'm not going to talk about that one yet. So like I said, this video has been destined for terribleness since the get-go, but we're gonna start fresh and, you know, like, pray that this one goes well. Mic's on, lights are on, we have power right now. It's been storming all day, so watch, that'll be next. But let's go ahead and jump in, and let's say a prayer that I didn't forget a product, because I had already put them away. You guys know I don't put my products away until I get a new until I film the video for it. So I filmed and then I put them away because, you know, that's what you do. But yeah, so this is Gratis number, I want to say it's 13. It's either 13 or 14, but it's actually two combined because I got one like the week before I went on vacation, and then I got one yesterday, like a mini one. So I'm going to combine them and call it like 13 plus 14 or 14 plus 15, depending on what it is. I think it's 13 plus 14 though. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and combine the two and show you all what I got. So the first one, which is the one that I tried to pre-film, is, it was a pretty good one. I mean, if I got everything that I can remember. To start out with, we'll start with skincare. We got 3 First Aid Beauty products. Something is telling me that we got a 4th one, and I can't remember what it is. Because I remember when I filmed this the first time, I was like, wow, we got so much from First Aid Beauty. Like, I'm so grateful to them for being so generous. Oh, I remember what one of the products was now. Hold on. See, I knew we got another First Aid Beauty product. Girl, I don't forget things. I mean, I do, I forgot. But okay, so we got the First Aid Beauty skin. Well, you could choose. You could either get these ones or as a set, or you could get the normal cleanser and a mini version of the radiance pads. For me, I wanted the normal cleanser and the facial radiance pads, and though we got to pick, I picked these ones because Landon has been struggling with breakouts a lot lately. He started a new job recently, and like with us moving and whatnot, he's just been more stressed, and so it's like he's been breaking out more. So I got him these in hopes that it would kind of help. It is the Acne Clearing Charcoal Cleanser with probiotics, and it has 2% salicylic acid, which is a common known like acne treatment. And the acne clearing pads have white clay in them, plus that salicylic acid 2%. So hopefully these can help him out. I have my little Boscia acne thing. I don't break out a lot, but when I do, I have my Boscia little squeezy thing that works wonders, and I have other acne clearing treatments like the Glam Glow Mask, which Landon's allergic to, so I can't give him that one to use when he's breaking out. So hopefully these will help keep it and send it away. Plus, when I use skincare, granted I could have used a new cleanser because I'm almost out of mine, and I don't think I have a backup, but I I wouldn't have used like the radiance pads regularly enough for them to make a difference, because when I use skincare, I don't like, like certain things I use every single day religiously, but other things like that, which is kind of like a treatment, you can use it every day. Some people recommend it, but it's more of a treatment. So I like to use other things like as I need them. So like having those pads, it's not something that I'm like looking for every day. So I wasn't going to grab for them as much. So I felt like this was a better option for us. Plus this is the full size and the other ones was only like the mini one. So there's that. The two other First Aid Beauty products that we got is First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer. It has SPF 30 and I got mine in the shade Fair. This is a pretty, like, the color matches pretty, I mean, it's a little bit dark. Now that I'm tan, it's not that bad. Can you guys see? But like when I was pale, it did not match. Okay, so it says it has a natural luminous finish. It gives you a little bit of a tint, and this is kind of a blessing in disguise for me, like the this whole having to refilm this video thing, because when I first filmed this video, I was like, oh, this is so good, I'm so glad I can take this to the beach, da 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 da. But I took it to the beach now that this is after, and this is so difficult to blend out. Like I use my fingers. Are you not supposed to? It doesn't say. But it doesn't say how to use, like how to put it on. Because I mean, it's a tinted moisturizer, so I was like, okay, let me just rub it in. But it does not, like, it's too sticky. Like it drags and you can't like blend it out. Like when you put it on, it stays there. So there's that to keep in mind. And they come in 5 shades. It's like fair, light, medium, tan, and deep, I think. So that's something to keep in mind. But I mean, tinted moisturizers don't usually have a lot of shades. So yeah. And then the last product we got is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Micellar Makeup Melter. It says it dissolves all makeup, even long wear. It's ophthalmology tested and safe for sensitive skin. This is a good size, and I'm excited for this because I like the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm and the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Makeup Balm. So I'm hoping that this is similar because it's a makeup melter. So yeah, because I really like those. So we got 4 First Aid Beauty products, and I'm so thankful about how generous they were. Because that's amazing. Sticking with skincare, I'm pretty sure we got this month, like this time around. And by the way, this is just the first set. It's the Drunk Elephant Deep Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Serum. It's a Garden Glow Cocoa Extracts Platinum Peptide. I think I'm going to save this for like the winter time. It says it's like a shot of sunshine without the damaging effect. Suggested use: add a pump of Deep Bronzy to any Drunk Elephant serum, oil, or moisturizer for a gorgeous glow and a potent dose of protective antioxidants and omega fatty acids. I want to use this, I think, during the winter because I get so pale that this might be able to help me like have a little bit of color. And they also gave us a mini version of the Protein, which you guys should know I really like this one. This was in my empties video, so yeah, I really like this one. So I'm excited, and yeah, like right now, my body's a little bit more tan than usual, so I'm gonna save this, I think. Plus, it has the fatty acids in it and antioxidants, which I feel like would be better for wintertime when my skin is literally like begging me to help it. Even though I mask a lot and I use a heavy moisturizer and oils and everything, but it begs. Now we have 4 makeup-ish products. I know I should have had 5 because we have that lip product. Let me just go ahead and start with that one. It's the Lancome Absolute Lacquer. This is in the shade 500. It's like a goldy color, and I believe you're supposed to be able to like layer these for more and more pigment. So like that one. And we were supposed to get a pink one, which is kind of unfortunate because I probably would have worn the pink one more than this shade. But I mean, I'm so grateful that I got this one, you know? So, but that's just one of the products that fell out of my bag. And then the other lip product, and I almost want to say this is plumping. Maybe not. I got 2 other lip products and then another makeup-y product. I got this Bite Beauty lip liner it's a lip pencil in the shade 038. It looks like this. It's kind of like a pretty fall like a deep mauve almost. I actually got to pick this out. My store manager does contests sometimes with us where like it's just like random, and sometimes they don't feel very fair, but this time it was pretty fair. She took a cap off of a product, like in a random product in the store, and then she gave the person 2 minutes to find it, and they could go anywhere in the store and try to find this product, like what the cap fit on, and if they got it right, they got to pick something from her gratis. So when it was my turn, I didn't find it, but like, it's whatever, and she just like, she gives everybody opportunities, so like she'll get a new product if somebody finds it. But mine, how I got mine was I found a cap and I said, you know, Althea, you should use this one because this product, it was from an Amazing Grace foam, like it's a lotion fragrance, but it's a foam, and like I was like, no one's gonna think of this. They're gonna think it's like a dry shampoo cap or like some other skincare hair care cap. But it was from the Philosophy product, which isn't with the normal skincare. It's in the fragrance section because Philosophy, like that type of product, is not considered one of the skincare ones. It's considered the fragrance one because it's like Amazing Grace or whatever. So she was like, you know what, that's a great idea. And then it took so many people, like it took multiple people to find it. And so she was like, you know, Kyla, I'm gonna let you pick a Gratis from my bag for helping me out. And I was like, God bless you. So I picked this one. There was like moisturizers and like Urban Decay setting spray and whatnot, but I like really like the white lip liners I have in my cart right now, actually, that I want to get. I have a couple of them in my little cup. But so that one's really pretty and I liked it. So that's what I got. The next lip product is a Dior lip. I want to say it's a liquid lipstick. This writing on here is literally like so faint and thin. It says Dior Addict Lacquer Plump in the number 327 Glitterati. So this is like a pink color and it has a little bit of glitter in it. Can you see that color? So this is similar to the color that I would have got in the Lancome. I believe it looks similar in the tube. This one might be a little bit lighter and this one has glitter in it, but it's supposed to be plumping. So that's kind of cool. Maybe I can wear this in an upcoming video and kind of see how it works, like how it does. But it's kind of a pretty color. Like the glitter in it isn't too much. It just gives it a sheen. The last product is the Too Faced Prime and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. I used this today with this and I like it. It's definitely helping me stay matte without like being really dry. It says it's infused with peach and sweet fig cream. So this is pretty exciting, honestly. But yeah, I liked it today. So far so good. And the last product that I could remember was the Nest Cocoa Woods Eau de Parfum. It's their newest fragrance, and you definitely smell like a cocoa and a woodsy kind of aspect of it. And I think this is going to be great for like the colder weather, like late fall to early winter, like winter-ish. It just has that kind of scent to it, so I'm going to save this for then, because it's not a summer scent at all, which is kind of odd why they launched it right now. But yeah, that is the Gratis. Oh no, shoot. Let me do the second round. Lord, I'm losing my mind. So this one is small. That's why I'm including it in this video. There's 4 things. The first one is a makeup product. It is the Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation. I got mine in the shade Fair Y110. It is, this is supposed to be a very like light coverage foundation, I believe. And it has SPF 25. It says Youthful Look 24 Hours Foundation. Yeah. I put a little bit on there and I'm gonna, it's kind of light for me right now, but it doesn't give a lot of coverage. It's very light coverage. You can see it there on my hand though. But I'm excited to try this. I used to really like the Marc Jacobs, what is it called? The other foundation one that they have. But it looks very dry on me and it sinks into my forehead lines so bad. And like my smile lines really bad too. So this one should do good. And then we got a little baby. I think this is supposed to go with the Marc Jacobs. This is a little baby photo finish primer, like foundation primer from Smashbox. I have so many of these. It's ridiculous. I hardly ever use them. I don't know why. I probably should. It's oil free. I don't know. But yeah. And then we got a Fenty Beauty. Oh, did I say 2 makeup products? We got 3 makeup products. This is a Fenty Spice Up Your Makeup. Serve looks from mild, medium to spicy AF. Fly liner, longwear, liquid eyeliner, all cast gratis. So it's literally the eyeliner. So the one that she just launched. It's a step 1 Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer, which we didn't get. But it says that it retails for $22. You get it. It's an eye primer. Then step 2, the Moroccan Spice Eyeshadow Palette, which you all should have seen by now. It retails for $59. And then step 3, the Fly Liner Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. The Ultimate Grip On No Limit Lining. It retails for $20 in the US. Long-wearing, water-resistant, transport-proof. Hyper-saturated color dries to a satin finish. Ergonomic, smart triangle shape. It is kind of triangular. And yeah, it says this collection is supposed to launch on July 6th. So we were probably supposed to get this gratis before, and we didn't. But oh well. It's very black. It's kind of running. A lot running, actually. Can you guys see that? The running? How it's running? I don't know. But it's pretty black. I heard online that it's like shiny, but I don't know if that's true. I'll try to make a thicker line so I can see. But honestly, I don't think I'd mind if it was shiny. I guess some people do, but I don't think I will. But I did swatch this on my hand in store yesterday, and it, like, you could still see the little bit there, and I like left over, and I took a shower, and like I've washed my face twice since then, so like my hands have been cleaned multiple times since then. I did some dishes, and it literally won't come off. And then lastly, we got a skincare product. It's the Ole Henriksen Balance. It's the Cold Plunge Pore Mask. It has clay and snow lotus extract, and I believe this is designed for pores and mattifying, which I'm not oily, but I can always use some pore help, you know? So maybe if I'm having like an oily day, I can use that, but we'll see. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. This is actually like a blue color too. One girl said it was like a teal color, but it's not really. It's definitely more blue than teal. So yeah, that's it for sure now this time that I could at least remember. For Gratis, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!